If you need to replace a DPF pressure sensor on a Cummins B6 or B6.7 as it actually is, because that's what it is, you basically need that, obviously, and you need an 8mm socket, and you can use a screwdriver, varying sizes, smaller preferably, or a pick if you've got that, but you will need one of these four to get it off, but 8mm, and of course the sensor itself. And it is not in the engine bay anywhere, because that's not where the DPF is. It is under here. So go ahead and get under the truck. And the location of it is right here above the DPF. It is right there. So what you do is go ahead and crack these two bolts here. Get those just off. Sorry, it keeps trying to focus on something else. And then there is a tab right here, which is pushed down. This can be a bit of a struggle sometimes. I already got this mostly off. It's pushed down. You push it up, or you can put a screwdriver up right in here and twist it, and it'll pull up. Then you have to squeeze right there and pull that off. You might actually want to do this part first so you can wiggle it and have the sensor actually stationary. And this is the tricky part, to get these. What I generally do, sometimes I'll use a pick, sometimes I'll use a screwdriver. You put it right there, get it kind of cracked. You get the screwdriver in there and get it off, and you do not want to break these. And you're gonna have to order new ones just to keep these on. And you can kind of see in the back right here, another way to do it is to push on both of these and get it kind of loose. You can see they snap back into place like they're supposed to. They're supposed to do that. So this can be a bit tricky to get off. So honestly, I would start with this part first, crack these off, go counterclockwise. They're 8mm, two of them, and then do that right there and try to get that off. And again, try not to break these. And then you go ahead and put the new one in and just basically reverse the process. Once you've gotten it completely off, it's a good idea to check the harness and just make sure there's no corrosion. It can be a little hard under here, especially if you don't have a light. I don't know why you wouldn't for some reason, but if you don't, then yeah, you might want to get one. So check in there, make sure everything looks good, and then check and make sure you didn't break these. These took me probably 5 minutes total to get off. If you've never done it before, it can take you quite a bit longer, especially if you're trying not to break these. If you bust these, then you can push it through the other side and the thing will come right off. But do your best not to break these, because then you'll have to order them. I don't think they come separately. I think they are part of this piece here. I'm not exactly sure. It's been a while since I busted one. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody, and that is how you replace a DPF pressure sensor on a Cummins B6.7. Have a good day.